Hey guys, we're here for another Smash Unbox video, okay? And what we're gonna talk about here is one of the topics that is being discussed right now regarding mobile phones, wherein it's China version, for example, but you actually installed your own Google framework to it, and they're saying that there are disadvantages around that. So one of the tools that they use is this safety net test. Okay, you can see on your screen it says they're failed, and this safety net status here, I did some readings around it, although it may not be enough, honestly, but they're not from Google. Okay, however, this application would run on your phone and tell you like what you see: safety net request, response signature success, basic integrity success, and the fail is the compliance test suite. Okay, there's a lot of opinion around this, and something that it's worth looking at. Okay, so we're here to install the SafetyNet application. So we go to Play Store and we type here SafetyNet. Okay, just one word. Let's press search on that one. And please take note of this icon, okay? The green with the shield icon. This is what we're going to install. It's a small file only, which is good. Okay, now it's installed. Now we're going to open it right away. There's not much activity here, so let's press accept on that one. It should actually pull up the application right away, and from here you just simply go ahead and press on the, there's nothing to do on settings, so all you need to do is run test. Okay, let's run the test here, and it says they're failed, right? Failed because of CTS is what they're saying, compliance test suite, with regards to Google standard. Okay, I've tried to play it again. It's the same. Now, interesting, guys, on the website where I downloaded it, they have updated the description, and please read the description below. It basically says that if there's a test fail, it doesn't mean there's something wrong with your phone. Basically, it has something to do with the number of attempts that the APK has been called upon, right? So it looks like there's a limit, but there's so many opinion around this, and I want to get your inputs, guys, and see if we want to go further and even go as far as looking for a solution for this one. Okay, last part is that I have installed Google Pay. It's working, however, it's not as smooth in terms of running compared to my normal global Rom phone. Okay, so there might be the next video, but I want to get your opinion on this, and let's see and let's help each other. Okay, so please stay safe. Here's another Smash Unbox.